Hi everyone, good morning to all of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, now I am walking on the paddy field, beside the paddy field. As you can see, this is our paddy field, and now I am walking beside the paddy field. Okay. And as you can see, our behind side corn field and corn plants very green, and this field another person, so look like very green environment. So as you can see, wow, amazing, look like very green. And now corn cobs I can't see because corn cob not see. And after a few days later, I think corn cobs I will see. Okay, so dear friends, as you can see, I take one bottle and enter the bottle actually diesel, and I will start machine because our paddy field watering in this time. So actually this is my morning work, not work, is called morning work. Okay, so every day I wake up early morning. Actually I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. And then I work like watering in our paddy field, this type of work every single day. And when I work at the time, I make English video, and every day I make English blog video, like English practicing video, because I am a English crazy learner. So that is why I make a blog video. Okay, so that is why I now am making blog video. Okay, so behind side this is our village, and now I am standing in front of paddy field. And so on person actually working in your, like in his your paddy field. And today paddy rice seedlings actually transplanting at the time, and now I am walking. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.